everybody, Grandma Bev here from Life with Grandma Bev, and we are on the ship. We did our embarkation. This is the day, so this is day one of the cruise, and it was a little, took longer than we expected to because they've changed so many things because of the virus. And as far as the procedures, I mean, I guess it went as smoothly as it can be considering. But normally, if you're a platinum member, which means you've cruised more than X amount of times on a princess ship, you get to bypass some of the sitting and waiting. But they didn't have that this time, so that was disappointing. However, once we got on the ship, the cabins weren't ready yet anyway, so they told us all, go up, have lunch, relax. They'll announce when the cabins are ready. So here we are in the cabin. Didn't take that long, maybe, not even maybe an hour till the cabins were ready. So we're down here setting up. We're still waiting for our two main suitcases. And there goes my man. There he is. There he is. Quick, take a look. Oh. He's upset he wasn't thinking. So see, Bob is here with me. So I did a video of the layout of the cabin. I don't know how well it looks, so I'm not sure if I'll keep that one or if I'll try doing it again, but you know. You would never know it based on all my past videos, but I am a perfectionist. So the ship doesn't seem real crowded. The food was good for lunch, and that was in the buffet. So if I'm saying the buffet was good, you know it was okay. So let's see, what else can I tell you? I want to do, a little video of what I'm wearing to go with this. But I grabbed the tripod, but the part I had taken off that holds the phone is still in Bob's suitcase, which isn't here yet. And I don't know if I can get it very well with this little tripod. So I'm at least getting this started. And the next part of it will be with the tripod where you can see day one, what I wore getting on this ship. Now for dinner, I probably put longer pants on. Keep the same top, longer pants. And I've got my sandals on today, so that's it. That's, oh, here's something new. Remember my earlier video, I talked about losing my Amex card? Well, Bob called, canceled my card, and they got a new one coming to, where we live, and, it's like, hassle. What a pain. I can't believe I did that, right? So this morning, right before we're checking out of the room in the hotel, I get a call, Mrs. King, we have your Amex card here. And it's like, I said, where from? He said, down at the front desk. I said, well, where are you? He said, down at the front desk. I said, are you in Florida? He says, yes. Oh, okay. Because I thought I lost it in Phoenix. So we had called the hotel there. No, they didn't have it, So I've got my card back. Can't use it. But no big deal. Bob's card's separate from mine. So, like I say, he's always with me. Thank God. Like I said in the other video, I've already almost fallen several times because my balance is so off. So I know that this cruise is the one that's kind of showing me how much my body maybe has changed since 3 years ago when we last took a cruise, to see what I really need to work on before our big trip in Europe in July. So I know I need to work on my balance. Number one thing, work on balance. Number two, pack lighter. Now, we packed where we only had the one smaller, carry-on suitcase. But it was heavy. I think some of these types of clothes, the cotton, are a lot heavier. So once you roll them up or how you're going to pack them, they weigh more. Whereas I think I'm going to try to stick with Susan Graver brand from QVC, because those are the light, flimsy. You can just, a little ball, put a rubber band around it, right? They don't take up much space. They're a lot more lightweight. So I'm going to think about doing mostly Susan Graver clothing when we go on the next one. We will use our bigger suitcase, but we're going to have to push that suitcase around when we get to London, and then go from London in the, over to the train station, go on the train over, and then off from the train to the hotel, so we got to work on that. Strengthening these arms. So that'll do it. The next thing you're going to see is what I'm wearing, though you pretty much see it. I've just got navy shorts on, but I'll give you the pleasure of seeing it. I'll be back in a few moments, hopefully. And I am back. Well, putting on some shoes here. So here's the full top. And then further back, you can see just my shorts. And then I wore sandals today. So that's what I'm wearing today. And then I'm going to put on the longer pants that you saw in the video for when I flew here, just for dinner tonight. So, what you think? Pretty, isn't it? Nice and floral. So we're all unpacked, ready to start our cruise. So I'll see you tomorrow with what I end up wearing tomorrow. And I'm not going to show you what I'm wearing, my jammies. Love you all.